veggie and then you have to feel it. आपको ऐसे feel करना है and guess करना है. Got it? Okay, so put your hands here.
Cabbage.
Say this is a cabbage.
This is a potato.
Wonderful.
It's a big banana.
Wonderful.
This is a carrot.
Oh wow, wonderful.
It's an orange.
Wonderful.